can become reality only if we get up and work for it.
All these lonely nights we could have spent together, but a life that's lived without you feels like it lasts forever. The feeling, it just crawls under my skin. It's like a fatal poison setting in.
That's what I call welcome surprise. Amazing. Good time, barefoot. Feel the next.
Baby, show me what